Some people say like daddy's money and this and that. That's nothing compared to what I make off these cars. If y'all are sitting down at home, you got nothing to do, maybe you're looking for a play, this could be your play. It's 8:48. I've been sitting here in the traffic for about 20 minutes. We haven't moved anywhere. I didn't know I was gonna start the video like this, y'all. Day in the life. Stuck in traffic. As you can see, nothing going on. Ain't going nowhere. All right, y'all. Just made it to the shop. Got parked the Genesis. Genesis is parked. That's an amazing car, to be honest with you guys. I got it for a steal. I got it for like $3,800. All the cars are lined up. Let me show you guys the cars real quick. Boom, we got the 2017 Genesis, 2019 Q50, 18 Q50, 21 Q50, 17 QX50, 17 Maxima, 18 Explorer, 14 Rogue, 15 Fusion. That's my personal car, and that's a 2020 Q50. And we got a Jeep Patriot over here. And then we got a couple cars in the back, about 3 cars in the back. And then everything else is at the shop right now, or at other shops. So they're either at the body shop or a mechanic. So everything else is over there. So these are 3 cars back here. That Nissan is going back to auction, bad transmission. This one, just waiting for the body guy to come fix it. And this one is going back to auction. It's just too many problems with that car. So that's it for right now. And real quick, I just want to address in the comments I see. Some people say like daddy's money and this and that. If those who know me, like in person, they know like I did all this just off the cars. Like no help at all. Like so I did this up off my own. By the will of God, of course. Not, by my own 100% with the will of God. This is just off flipping cars. People say you make money off selling off YouTube and selling courses. That's nothing compared to what I make off these cars. I make way more off these cars than I do with any other venture that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I just want to clear that out the way. And with that being said, prices are going up for the course, the mentorship, and then also the coaching calls. So right now the course and the mentorship is at $1,500, and with that you learn everything I know, and you can. In a year or so, you can end up like this easily if you just do how I did it. When you enter that course, when you enter that mentorship, you're gonna become basically me. You're gonna become a clone of me. You're gonna know how to look in the auction. You're gonna know what to look for in the auction. You're gonna know how to find body guides. You're gonna know how to do everything. You're gonna learn everything I know. So then that means you're gonna be bidding on the cars that I'm gonna show you what to bid on, right? Because I'm cloning you. Now you know what I know. Now we're gonna be bidding on the same cars because I showed you what cars to bid on. I showed you what to look out for. So you know what to look for. You know what to get. You know what to avoid. And with that, you'll be bidding on the same cars I've been on. I've already sold the course and mentorship to multiple people. These people, if they just do what I taught them in the course, within 1 to 2 years from now, they're gonna be completely different lives. Their lives are gonna be completely changed. And the reason being for that is because of the compound effect. For example, this car. Let's just use this one real quick. Easy, quick example. I paid $3,800. I was the highest bidder at $3,850 for this car. I have it listed for $11,900. Now that doesn't mean it's gonna sell for $11,900, but whatever. I'm done with this car at like $6,000. Let's say I sell it for 10. Let's just sandbag. I sell the car for $10,000. That's $4,000 profit, right? So now that $4,000 profit, I can go buy another car for and be completely done with it at the auction for $4,000, and then turn that 4 into 7. So now that 4,000 profit turned into 7. That's just the profit, and I still have the 6,000, the other one. I can go buy 2 other cars with that money. That's why this game works so well. It's the compound effect, but you have to reinvest the profits. I cannot make $4,000 on this car and go take a trip to Dubai and whatever, $4,000, whatever. I just made $4,000, so let's just go blow it. That's not gonna work. The compound effect won't work for you. Your money has to compound if you want it to grow. That's why in 1 to 2 years, I'm telling you, mark my words, the people that buy this course and the people who do as I tell them to do, 1 to 2 years, life is completely changed. I guarantee it. I got the body guy coming today. He's gonna finish up this one. This one was just in a side swipe. Super slight. I bought this car for $2,800. Pay the body guy about $800. Bada bing, bada boom. Sell the car for maybe $7,000 or $8,000. And the body guy's coming for that Nissan Maxima. I got the trunk right here, as you can see. And then we have 2 cars at another body shop, 1 car at a mechanic, 2 other cars at another body shop, 2 other cars at another mechanic. So we got some cars out there just getting worked on, waiting for them to come back. If your cars are ready, or if your cars are at the mechanic or a body guy, there's really not much you have to do. So you can really just chill if you wanted to. But I'm gonna just organize stuff, get everything looking good. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm just saying one final time, prices for the course and for the calls are going up November 1st. So if you want to get in it, you should get in it now before the price goes up. It's going to be the same course, just at a higher price because, like I said, supply and demand. I cannot keep it so low to where everyone's getting in and it floods the market, right? So November 1st, price is going up. Course is going to $2,000, call is going to $50. So lock in now if you want to get in on that. All right, quick update. We got the Infinity got worked on. We got the body guy working on it. We got Jason in the cut working. We got the other body guys working on the other one. There's a lot going on right now, but I'm gonna try to get the parts for this one real quick, take them outside, so then the body guy can work on it. All right, guys, real quick update on what's going on. We got the body guys outside working. I sent Jason to go run some errands real quick. I just got done with some laptop work, updating the website, updating some descriptions, renewing some listings, all that good stuff. And now what's next is I need to go take this Ford Fusion and I need to go see what's going on with it. As a check engine light, the mechanic said he fixed it, but I'm gonna go check real quick, see if it's actually fixed. If it's not, then we got a problem. But if it is, then we're good to go and we can sell the car. So I got my scanner, I'm about to plug it in and we'll see what's going on. All right, real quick, we turned the Ford Fusion on and look at this. We have a leak of the coolants. So this car is not ready for sale at all. So we need to turn this car off. There is no check engine light. So that's a plus. This fuse, or this hose, this needs to be a new. Maybe it's fixable. I imagine you get a new one. I'll check on that. So yeah, before you guys sell any cars, for anyone that's in the business, you want to do a thorough inspection before any customer comes. You know, if I didn't catch this or if no one else caught this, then like when the customer came, they might not have caught it either. And they would have drove off and the coolant would have been completely drained out the system and the car would overheat, engine goes. That's it. Now you had a good running and driving car, but because you didn't look and you didn't inspect the car, everything went wrong. See? So you got to inspect for these things. Check engine light was turned off, but like I said, you have to drive these cars sometimes to make sure the check engine light is completely off. But yeah, so that's it for right now. Close this up. That's it for this car. We'll go buy the part and we'll see what's next. All right, yeah, real quick update. I forgot to record. Me and Jason, he's right there in the back. We can zoom in on him. Oh, wait, no, we can't. But there's Jason. Anyway, me and Jason, we picked up a car from the mechanic. I'm in it right now. It's the 2015 Infiniti QX60. This car, I got a new radiator, new condenser, and new alternator. We did all that just to make sure the car is A1 for the customers. So we did all that. Now I'm gonna go through the car wash real quick, get a car wash. And I did just talk to somebody earlier that said they want to come today to buy this car. So it's perfect timing, but we'll see if they come by it or not. It is what it is. All right, I'm going through the car wash right now. Don't mind that light. This is the seatbelt light. I had to take off my dealer tag. So going through the car wash. And now after this, we will go back to the shop and handle some business and go to a mosque. So let's go. Real quick, I was talking to my brother and he said something along the lines like I'm flexing on YouTube. Do not take, I want y'all to take this seriously when I'm talking about saying, do not take anything I do in these videos as flexing, as showing off. Just take inspiration from what I do. Or take entertainment or take education, whatever you want from these videos. I try to give entertainment, I try to give education, and I try to inspire y'all. That's what I want these videos to do for y'all. If y'all are sitting down at home, you got nothing to do, maybe you're looking for a play, this could be your play, right? So this is just inspiration, purely entertainment, purely education. I'm not flexing, I'm not showing off. I don't buy nice cars for myself. I don't do anything like that. I wear regular clothes. I don't do any of that, right? Because showing off and flexing, scholars say this is a minor shirk. And shirk, what that basically means is it's like you're associating partners with God. You're putting like other people at your level, at God's level. Because you know, when you're showing off and you're flexing, you're trying to please other people instead of trying to please God, right? So I don't do that. That's not what I'm trying to do at all. All right, yo, we just pulled up to the shop. We got the car right here. Car drove good, everything looks good, and hopefully it sells, inshallah. I got some people I need a message. They asked me about it. I did post the car before I knew about the alternator problem, so I need to message those people that messaged me. I told them I'll message them when the car's ready, so it's ready. I need to message them. I just said a lot. We got the fender bumper and some other parts for Toyota Corolla. That's actually Jason's car, so he's about to go get that sorted, drop this off. But I think he's gonna do that after we come back from the mosque. So we're gonna go to the mosque right now, pray the Jummah prayer, listen to a khutbah, and we'll come back. Heading to the mosque right now for a second prayer, Jummah prayer. Jason in the cut. Yo, we gotta say that to people, Jason.
North Carolina weather, it's not good. It's cold in the morning, and now it's hot.
Should we tell me you have no AC?
You can cut that out.
But yeah, we're going there right now. Inshallah, catch the prayer. Alright, we just left the mosque. Good talk. The amount of time about backbiting. So you gotta be careful with backbiting. That's a grave sin. And if you see someone backbiting and you don't stop it, and you're involved in that backbiting, you get the same punishment. So don't backbite. Don't talk bad about other people. Not worth it. Not at all. But yeah, we're going back to the shop, and then from there we'll just get back to work, see what we gotta do. So catch you guys at the shop. Alright, y'all, a lot of stuff happened. But right now we got Kareem, that's my brother Kareem, and we got Jason in that white car in front. We're leaving the mechanic right now. I picked up this Volkswagen Jetta. The body guy just fixed it. Also, before this, somebody came for the white QX60. He put a deposit on the car. So we're gonna sell that car for $9,000, $9,100. So he said he'll come back Monday with the cash, buy the car, and then we should be good to go. But right now, we're going back to the shop. I got the Volkswagen Jetta. Everything's good to go. Pay the guy. And yeah, so now the QX60, it passed inspection. The guy will come back Monday, hopefully, to buy it, but he put a deposit down regardless. That's non-refundable. All right, I got the car back to the shop. This car is ready for sale. I mean, well, this car was already sold, basically. Customer came, put a deposit, $200. He'll be back Monday to pay the rest and take the car. Volkswagen Jetta. This is the one that painted the rear door and fixed it, and this is a new door in the front. It looks off right now because this is dirty, so once this gets clean, they should match up pretty good. That's it for this car. We got the body guy over there working on some cars, and yeah, it's about 3 o'clock, 3:30. Going to a mosque. The day's a wrap. That's it. A lot of phone calls and stuff that I couldn't show you guys just because, you know, when I'm on the phone calls, I don't want, you know, expose other people's, you know, conversations and whatnot. We had a lot of phone calls, business calls, you know, buying parts, getting parts, talking to mechanics, talking to body guy. A lot of those happened after we got back to the shop. But yeah, that's it. Day in the life, pretty typical. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys got entertained. Catch you in the next one.